The main problem with this Peterbilt truck is that the couplers expanded over time and wouldn't tightly fit onto the pipes anymore, so they wouldn't seal properly. So I replaced those. I'll put the links in the description box to which ones I bought, so if you want to replace those as well, it's a good idea to replace them so you have a good set that doesn't leak. After I replaced them, it fixed the leaks completely. So that was really a huge benefit to just changing those. I noticed there's another leak here, which is on the water separator piece. The hose from that piece went directly to the front of the motor. Couldn't really determine where else it went, but I think that's a really critical piece to try and make sure that it's not leaking, because it's part of the air compressor system, which runs the air brakes and runs to the air tank. So I would highly recommend checking these types of leaks so that you don't have any major problems. The last place that I could think of to check is the air compressor itself. The air compressor, in my opinion, based on the way it sounds like it's leaking air during the boost leak test going to the air tank, which could have been leaking out of this air water separator piece. It also could be leaking at other places past the air compressor, which would be much harder to check, because it could go all the way to the back of the truck where the air brakes are.
I get back in. Oh, it's around the whole thing there.
Yeah.
Right around, like you say, it's like two halves twist together, don't it?
Well, yeah, that's what it looks like.
Looks like you'd see a bubble somewhere.